So you can see the picture, it's AirPods Pro. This has noise cancellation facility. It comes with earbuds. Okay, let's open this pack. See, very simple. Apple, just we need to do like this. Yeah, so some manuals, manual, and here it is, the AirPods. This is how it looks, the new Apple AirPods Pro with the light here. So we need to open this, and these are the AirPods. So this is right and this is left. Okay. We got earbuds, two earbuds, one is bigger one is smaller size, and we got a cable here for the charging. That's all.